Welcome back to my channel, Ask DeAvila Sadé, with your host, Dr. DeAvila Sadé, LCSW, and I'm here with my Microlocs routine. As you see, I am fresh out the shower, so excuse all the stuff that's on my face. You know, gotta go to bed all oily. But right now, I am gonna first start just kind of picking out my hair. These are an old pipe cleaner curl style that I did a couple of weeks ago. The video should be out, so I'll make sure I'll link it above in one of the eyes. But yeah, I'm trying not to disturb them too much. So the first thing I'm gonna use on my hair is going to be water. Right now you see me spraying my edges. The reason I'm doing this is because when I have a style like pillow curlers or pipe cleaner curlers, I might use a lot of edge control to kind of like jazz it up. So sometimes, I don't do this every night, but I will just go in and put water on my edges, and what you're gonna see is me take just a gentle towel and clean the gunk from around my edges. And you're gonna see me spray just a little bit of water on there, and I am super gentle when I'm doing this. Really gentle around the perimeter. And like I said, I'm just cleaning up any excess oils or leave-in or edge control that might be there because I don't want any product buildup. And for this nighttime routine, I usually might do it maybe every 2 to 3 days. Honestly, I do not do this every day. It might be more so because I'm lazy, but I don't think it would be a problem if you did every day. My hair just doesn't feel super dry often, so I don't do this every day. But yeah, I'm gonna continue cleaning my edges, and after that, I'm gonna go in with a leave-in conditioner. Now, I'm not even gonna go into the brand because this is not one of my favorite leave-ins. If you don't have a nice leave-in, you could just use water during this step. I personally like to use the Heritage Store rose water and glycerin spray, but I don't have any because I ran out, and I usually have to order it off Amazon because it's not sold in my local Targets anymore. Why? I don't know. But first, what you see me do is spraying it at the roots. Before I go in and spray it actually on my locks, I'm spraying it at the roots because I want to make sure I get my roots moisturized. For me, that typically feels like the driest part of my hair, so I have to make sure I moisturize my roots first and towards the scalp area. After I do that, I'll go in and start spraying the length of my hair. And my hair, I do not go to bed with wet hair. Like, it's literally just a mist. And so it's typically just a little damp, but it's not soaking wet at all because, hello, that wouldn't even preserve the style. So this is a great nighttime routine for you if you're trying to preserve a style. You're gonna see me squeeze in the excess leave-in just to make sure it's getting inside the lock, but again, not trying to disturb the curl too much, even though this style is pretty old, so even if I do, it doesn't matter, it's old. Now what I'm going to do is go ahead and section my hair off. I am not doing equal sections whatsoever. I'm just literally just putting my hair in a couple of sections because I really want to make sure I have good access to my scalp. You can do this in 4 sections, 2 sections, 3.5. It doesn't matter. I just like to kind of get my hair out the way. Sometimes I'll use clips, but today I decided to use ponytail holders to, separate some sections in my hair, and you'll see why in just a moment. My favorite item ever, the Royal Oils Scalp Elixir. I just wish they would sponsor me already because how often do I talk about this great product? If you have not been following my channel, I was diagnosed with seborrheic dermatitis. I want to say February 2022. I have a video on that. So the Royal Oils line by Head & Shoulders is what my dermatologist recommended to me. The shampoo is amazing. The conditioner is amazing. And now this scalp elixir is great. So I usually put this scalp elixir on every other night, and you see it has the nozzle. You put it directly on your scalp, and when I mean, you'll get a little sizzling sensation. It's not burning, but it's a little sizzle. And I just rub it into my scalp, and you can feel this just literally soothing your scalp. You can see it getting rid of any buildup that you might have from your scalp. If you have a flaky scalp like I do, I only have it in certain areas. It's not over my entire scalp. But honestly, since I started using the Royal Oils line, I really haven't been seeing any like itchy or flaky scalp. I haven't been having an itchy or flaky scalp. So I really know that this product is the truth. I don't know if y'all heard that. That was my stomach. So I need to get something to eat. It's really early in the morning right now when I'm recording this. But yes, so as you're going to see, I'm going to go into each section of my hair and I'm going to put the royal oils directly on my scalp. I do not put it on the actual length of my hair. I massage it really good into my scalp because I really don't want to have any flakiness between washes. I don't want to have an itchy scalp between washes. And this product, y'all, I swear by this product. I have never gotten paid to use this product. I buy it with my own money every time. I wish they would just sponsor me already because I will sing the praises of this scalp elixir. See how I'm using the pads of my fingers to massage my scalp? That is really important to me. Do not use your nails. No one is trying to damage their scalp. So I was using the pads of my fingers to massage the scalp elixir into my scalp. And I'm trying to put it on every row of my Microlocs just to make sure I'm covering my entire scalp. After putting the scalp elixir on my scalp, I go in and give my whole head a scalp massage just to make sure that I didn't miss any areas. And this scalp massage feels so good. Like, y'all, it's my self-care. I love being able to take care of my hair. It feels so good. You see me now about to add some Jamaican black castor oil to my edges. I'm gonna be very transparent with you guys. My edges are an insecure spot for me. And that's because prior to getting locks, I would get knotless braids and I wasn't very savvy about how to take care of your hair. So the braids used to be heavy because I had fine texture hair. Eventually, like, on my scalp area, there are parts where hair does not grow. No matter how much I've been putting oil on it, it just doesn't grow. And it's usually at the top of my ear on both sides. So kind of feel like stress points. The top of my scalp, the top of my edges is really good, but it's just at those two places where I feel really insecure. I'm really hoping that, Lord, be a follicle and they'll come back in. Last but not least, you see me up here. It's just spraying a little more leave-in on my hair if I felt any dry spots because I want to make sure that my locks are moisturized and squeezing that product into there. To end it all, I'm going to put on a satin bonnet. I'm sure everyone has one. Everyone always asks me where I get this bonnet from. Y'all, I got it from the Black Hair Experience when I went to it in Atlanta maybe about a year ago. But you can get any bonnet. I like this one though. I like how it hugs your entire head. It's a great fit and it's really simple. And that's really it. I will see you guys in my next video and see you soon. Bye.